You have to sit down and touch. Take away your bicycle from him. Take away your bicycle from him. What you going? Don't go back for the bicycle. Don't go back for the bicycle. Don't go back for the bicycle. Come. Come.
No man. I can never.
Come sit down. Come sit down first. Come sit down and cool out.
No man.
Go take another one. Come.
Yo, come sit down and cool out.
Put the bicycle bearing, go shop.
Come on. Come on.
No man.
You can't manage the bicycle.
Put it.
No. No, mine licking.
Mine are liquid. Well, I put the bicycle on.
Mine are licking.
Mine licking. No.
You drop
Put the
again.
bicycle bearing this man. Wally. Put it.
You can't walk some blood.
He will break. He will break.